Hey Nash, what should we make?
I caught some chickens and milked some coconuts earlier. So let's make coconut chicken curry.
All right, let's make coconut chicken curry. Today we're gonna make something super delicious. We're gonna make a coconut chicken curry. It should be good. It should be pretty easy, but also pack a ton of flavor. So without further ado, let's go. So we start by dicing a shallot. Then we rough chop a couple of bell peppers. I'm using red. You could use yellow, orange, whatever. Don't use green. Green sucks. And then we take about 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs and cut these guys into 1-inch pieces. Think bite-sized pieces. Then to our chopped up chicken, we add a heavy pinch of salt, pepper, and garlic. And then we just sort of rub this in until all of our guys are nice and seasoned. Then to a pan on medium heat, we add our shallots and our chicken. And we cook this, stirring frequently, occasionally, until our chicken is nice and brown, probably about 6 to 8 minutes. Once your chicken's nice and browned, then we go in with 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 3 tablespoons of red curry paste, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic minced, and about 1 tablespoon or 2 of minced ginger, depending on how much you like ginger. And we sort of stir this all in, and we cook it till fragrant, a couple minutes. Then we add 12 ounces of coconut milk, unsweetened, 1/2 cup of chicken broth, salt, pepper, and garlic to taste. Stir everything in. We bring it up to a boil, then we lower our heat, and we let it simmer until slightly thickened, about 10 minutes. Once our mixture is thickened a bit, we add our bell peppers, and we stir those in. And then we let this cook till the peppers have softened, another 5 to 10 minutes. Once your bell peppers have softened, we want to add in some cilantro, some fresh chopped Thai basil, and the juice of a lime. Then we stir this through. Kill the heat, and we're ready to serve. We lay down a nice bed of rice, and we ladle our coconut chicken curry over the top. And we add a little bit of fresh chopped cilantro just to garnish. And there we have our coconut chicken curry. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's rich, it's creamy, the chicken is cooked perfectly, it's tender, it's juicy. The rice just kind of soaks up the sauce, which is kind of perfect. It's packed with flavor. The depth of flavor on this one is amazing. Just an absolutely delicious dish. 1 pan, pretty easy, go make it. 10 out of 10 would highly recommend. And that's what I think, but hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm living the dream, bro.
Well, check it out. We got this coconut chicken curry that you requested. Oh my God, you're drooling like a faucet. Well, anyways, we made a dog-friendly version just for you. So here you go. What do you think?
Wow, that is packed with flavor. And I mean, it's got depth of flavor like the Mariana Trench.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Keep your face always toward the sunshine and shadows will fall behind you.
Nash approves, I approve. Another great dish. Another easy dish. Minimal cleanup, maximum flavor, maximum deliciousness. Go make it. And hey, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that'd help us out. It'd mean a lot. If you want notifications every time I drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. And or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com, send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.